Hi, this is Scoggett, and this is my second part to Bacon My Way video. And put it in the oven at 400 degrees. It's baked about 15 to anywhere 15-20 minutes, and I'm going to show you how it come out. It is crispy and fantastic. Here we have the bacon, and that, as you can see, it is cooked to perfection. Now, going to go ahead and take one and show you that it is just crispy and good. That is fantastic. Such a good flavor. Just a crispy and oh wow. This is going to go with anything. Like I say, it's not hard to do. You can use this to crumble up and put in salads. Use this for breakfast. You can use it. I mean, it's just endless. But showing you how I make it, and it comes out great. And appreciate all you viewers and subscribers out there. I got to figure out what this is going to go with. So, I'll have another video coming up. This is Scoggett, and y'all take care.